Hi, myself Wasim Siddiqui. Welcome back to my channel Grow Together. In today's video, we're diving into the basics of marketing management. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing student, or just someone interested in how businesses succeed, this video will provide you with the foundational knowledge you need. What is marketing? Identifying the market gap and needs and catering to the demand of consumers profitably. What is marketing management? Process of controlling marketing aspects, setting company goals, organizing plans, step by step, making decisions for the firm, executing plans to maximize turnover, meeting consumers' demands. Who is a consumer? Any individual who purchases goods and services from the market for his/her end use is called a consumer. What are consumers' categories? Individual consumers purchase products for their own personal use. Examples: buying groceries for home, purchasing clothing, etc. Industrial/business consumers purchase products to make further goods or services for selling. Examples: buying raw materials to manufacture products, purchasing software for business operations, etc. Goods versus services in marketing. Goods are tangible items that can be seen and touched, stored for future use, and ownership can be transferred from seller to buyer. They are usually standardized and can be returned if necessary. Examples include cars, clothes, and food items. Services are intangible activities or benefits provided to consumers, consumed at the point of delivery, and cannot be stored or owned. They are often customized and cannot be returned. Examples include consulting, haircuts, and cleaning services. What is marketing gap? Difference between customer expectations and actual experience. Highlights areas for improvement. Indicates potential for growth. Enhancing customer satisfaction. Gaining competitive advantage. STP in marketing stands for segmentation, targeting, and positioning. It is a strategic approach used to identify and reach the most valuable market segments. Segmentation, dividing a broad market into smaller groups based on shared characteristics, e.g., demographics, behavior, needs. Targeting, selecting one or more of these segments to focus marketing efforts on. Positioning, developing a unique value proposition and image for the product or service in the minds of the target audience. This approach helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies to specific groups, enhancing effectiveness and efficiency. We'll cover in our next video in Marketing Management series. Stay tuned to find out. Topics include a complete marketing plan. 4 Ps of marketing. Target marketing analytics. PEST AMP, SWOT analysis. BCG matrix. ANSOF matrix and diversification strategies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching Grow Together.